Has Andorra I've never eaten them. As you can see, I like grapes. Watch more of my videos. Please subscribe and be in. Bye.